The C programming is a general purpose and procedural imperative computer programming language. It is a general purpose language. Procedural means step by step, or it is having a some kind of module. Okay, we know about the procedure which is used to breaking a program into a smaller chunks or smaller part. Okay, for breaking the program we are using function and procedure. So here we can use a procedural style program. Imperative computer programming language. It is developed in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie at the Bell Telephone Laboratory. Okay, to develop the Unix operating system. C is the most widely used computer language. So everywhere it is used. It keeps fluctuating at the number of scale of popularity along with the Java programming language, which is also equally popular and most widely used among the modern software programmers. So all the programming language that we're using today, it is come from your C programming language. Okay, so it is called as the word. It is a base programming language for the software development. But as we know that computer doesn't interact with the user directly. So for giving a instruction to the computer, we're using some kind of programming language. Okay. The C programming language is just like that. It is a general purpose, procedural and imperative computer program language, and it is widely used. Okay, and you can say it is the base for all programming. So why you have to learn the C programming language? C programming language is a must for student and working professional to become a great software engineer, and especially when they are working in a software development domain. So what are the benefits to learn the C programming language? It is easy to learn. Okay, so it is very simple and easy to learn. It is a called a structural language. Okay, just a minute. Okay, it is easy to learn and it is called as the structural language. Means which is follow the step by step process. The programming language, two type of language we are using. One is programming language and scripting language. Scripting language is not having any kind of structure. Okay, so anywhere you can do anything. Anywhere you can define a variable, anywhere you can call a function. That is not having any proper way to representing your program. Where you need, you have to call. Okay, so it is a structured programming language. So that what happen if any kind of problem is there, so you go for it and check the solution for that particular part. It produces an efficient program and it can handle the low level activity. It can be compiled on variety of computer platform. So in any platform it works. Any doubt in this? So why to learn C programming language? It can be defined by the following ways. It is a, you can say it is a mother language, it is a system programming language, procedure oriented programming language. It is a structural or structured programming language. It is a mid level programming language. Okay, so everywhere it is used. Yes, first of all, it is a system programming language. Means many of the complex operating system part is developed by using C programming language. Mouse movement, some kind of you have to work with a process to make enabled of any kind of hardware device, internal hardware device, by using that. Structural programming language we can use. Mid-level programming language we are using. Means any platform you can use it. Okay. It is called as the mother language. C language is considered as a mother language for all modern programming language because most of the compiler like JVM, kernel are written in the C language. Okay, so Java we call as it is a what? It is a super language, but for running the Java we require a engine. So that is called the JVM. For running Java application, we require a Java engine. So that is called the JVM. So that JVM is also written in C programming. Okay, so all the complex thing, it may be your operating system part, it may be to enable to any kind of hardware device in your laptop. So we're using this one. And most of the programming language follow the syntax, for example, C++, Java, C Sharp. Okay, so it provide the core concept like the array, string, function, file handling, etc. that are being used in many languages like C++, Java, C Sharp, etc. Okay, then C as a system programming language. Okay, a system programming language is used to create a system software that I'm giving example. Okay, systems, there is a two type of software we are using. One is application software, another is your system software. Application software that you have created, it is used for the what different application, means it is used for the based upon the human need, you create a application. It may be like your Facebook, it may be your Zomato app, Swiggy. Okay, so any application that the user is created and it is what used by the user and it is helping to the user, that is your what your application software. You can say it is a Word, Excel, it is application software. System software, it is helping you to enable the system related work. Okay, so C language is a system programming language because it can be do the low level programming language. It is generally used to create a hardware device like OS, driver, kernel, etc. So Linux kernel is written in C language. Okay, Linux kernel, you can say it is what? It is a just like engine of that particular operating system. It is also written in Java. It cannot be used for the internet programming like Java, .NET and PHP. So by using of C programming language, you cannot develop the website. So it is not used as a development part of a web application. Okay, because it is not so much developed. So there is some kind of pitfalls are there. So for removing that pitfalls, the other programming language has come like Java, .NET, and PHP, which is used in the internet-based programming or web programming. Okay. So history of C language is interesting to know. Here are going to discuss brief history of the C language. C language was developed in 1972, okay, by Dennis Ritchie, okay, at the Bell Laboratory of AT&T, that is American Telephone and Telegraph. It is located in USA. Dennis Ritchie is known as the founder of your C programming language. So you can say it is a fast programming language for the modern generation. Okay. So everywhere, or what are the technology now we develop, the base is what? C programming language. So every programming language is inspired from the C programming language, and every programming language has the some predefined library. So that library is developed by the C programming. Okay. The features of C programming language. So what are the features are available? It is a simple and machine independent or portable. Portable means in any device it works. So as we know, it is a mid-level programming language. Mid-level means what? By helping of this program, you can enable another application. Suppose if you are writing or you work with a Java application and there is some complex part is there to make enable some device, we can use that C programming language into the Java. We can integrate it. Next, it is a structured programming language. It contains huge number of library, rich library. Memory management is automatically going on here. It is very fast and speed. It contains the pointers, recursion, and extensive language. Okay, it is a recursive and extensive language. Simple. C is a simple language in the sense that is provided by the structural approach. The rich set of library function data type it is used. It is a machine. Simple is what? The C is a simple language. The sense that is provided, it is a structural approach. Means you can break the problem into parts. Structural approach means what? Breaking down the complex program into a smaller part. So that is the work of your structure approach. Okay, so you break the complex thing and you make one by one as a structure. Machine independent or portable. Unlike the assembly language, C program can be executed on the different machine. It is assembled. Assembled means it is used in the other portal. Okay. Therefore, C is a machine independent language. The C is a structured programming language in the sense that we can break down into the part using function. So it is easy to understand and modify. The function also provide the code reusability. Okay. Code reusability means what? Suppose once you write a code and store it as a library, so when there is another requirement of that same program, there is no need to rewrite the program. Suppose you are creating a application for the SBI bank for the suppose loan account, and same loan account program is required for the Punjab National Bank. So in that sector, there is no need to call the, or there is no need to write the program again. Okay, it is having a rich library. The C provide lot of built-in function. Built-in function means it contains some predefined or what that is already defined in the function. It is a predefined function. So lot of inbuilt function that make the development fast. Memory management. It supports the feature of dynamic memory allocation. They can dynamically allocate the memory. In C language, we can free the allocated memory at any time by calling the free function. Speed. The compilation of the execution time of C programming is fast since there are lesser inbuilt function and hence lesser overhead function is present. Okay. Another is recursive. In C, we can call the function within the another function. Okay. You call the function within the another function. It provides the code reusability for every function. Okay. Recursive is nature is what is repeated. Just a minute. It provides the code of reusability for every function. Recursion enable us to use the approach of backtracking. Means same thing you can use again and again. It is recursive in nature. Next is extensible. Extensible. This is wrongly written. Extensible. Just a minute. Okay, the C programming language is extensible because it can easily adopt the new feature. If you want to add the new feature, you can easily add over here. Okay, so that it is rather extensible language. Okay, that is a fast part of your C programming language. Okay, or intro of the C programming language. In the next class, we go to other. Okay, just a